Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, we'll be doing a braid out using Adwoa Beauty leave-in conditioner. As you can see, it's super thick and it's extremely moisturizing and it smells kind of florally. It can be a bit overwhelming, but overall I like it. It's super thick and creamy. And then I'll be using grapeseed oil to take out my braids, and I will be using my DIY scalp oil that I made. I'll link that above for my postpartum shedding and overall scalp health. This video is pretty self-explanatory. If you guys are new here, I have fine hair and I just had a baby, so I'm dealing with a little bit of postpartum shedding and hair thinness. I also had a little bit of balding, well, you know, my postpartum shedding on my edges. You'll see that. So I'm being very gentle with my hair, and I'm going to be wearing stretch styles, so I decided to try a braid out. If you guys have fine hair like me, 4 braids work just fine. I tried the 5 braids. I didn't really like the outcome too much, but I will go back to the 4 braids. Let me stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you find it helpful. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!